The fourth value is honesty. We must always be truthful, not just when speaking or writing, but even in our actions. We must always be seeking the truth and trying to understand the truth. This applies when we are verifying information, confirming from the sources, and checking the authenticity of data. All of that is trying to find and understand the truth. So we should not use information that we get our hands on because it confirms our point of view or biases. There is a bias that many people have. It is called confirmation bias. When we believe in something and we hear information that confirms our belief, we automatically take the information as the truth without verifying it. This is not what the code expects from us. When we conduct ourselves with honesty, we are truthful. When we say something, we make sure that it is the truth that we speak. It also requires us to avoid making convoluted statements that can give the impression as if we are trying to hide the truth. Holding information and not providing information at the right time to the right people is also dishonesty. Communicating effectively is an honest behavior. Let's say a project manager has assigned work to the team. Every week, the PM asks the team for an update and the team's reply is, "We are making good progress." Later, the PM finds out that the team actually is stuck with work and had made no progress for weeks. They have been trying hard to resolve the issues and did not want to bring it up to the project manager because they thought it will upset the PM. Was it the right thing to do? No, it was not. But could it be that the project manager never created an environment where disclosure of true project status was encouraged, where issues are openly brought out in the light? When we are always truthful, we are also encouraging others to be truthful. A culture or environment is being promoted where no one fears backlash because they have expressed their true opinions or feelings or emotions. Honesty also means that we only commit when we have the conviction to follow through with that commitment. The code uses the terms explicitly and implicitly. That is, we will not even give an impression of commitment when we do not plan to commit. Have you seen someone committing to do some work but was too busy to get to it in the expected time frame? Still committed to get into a contract and engagement and then uses various tactics to delay. This is unethical, dishonest, and unprofessional behavior. We must not spread false or ambiguous information with the intention of misleading others and should not withhold information, again, to mislead others. Any dishonest behavior can put us in trouble.